Welcome to the channel Food Tech Insight. In this video, we will discuss about Z value. Firstly, we will start with the definition of Z value. Then we will master this concept by solving a numerical. Then we will derive some formulas which are most important for GATE and other competitive exams. Then we will see about Arrhenius equation and the relation between Arrhenius equation and Z value. Z value. What is Z value? It is defined as the increase in temperature necessary to cause a 90% reduction in the decimal reduction time. So let us understand the concept of Z value clearly by solving a numerical. Let us see the question. The decimal reduction times D for a spore suspension were measured at several temperatures are as follows. This is the data given in the question. In this experiment, the D value is measured at an interval of 3 degrees centigrade starting from 104 degrees centigrade and ending at 116 degrees centigrade. In order to calculate the Z value, we have to plot this data on a semi-log paper. When we plot this data on a semi-log paper, it will look like this. From the data, at 116 degrees centigrade, the D value is 2.2 minutes. When we convert this 2.2 minutes into seconds, it will be 132 seconds. In this graph, the D value is in seconds. So I converted D value in minutes to seconds. So from the definition of Z value, we know that it is the change in temperature for 90% reduction in the D value. So at 116 degrees centigrade, we know that the D value is 132 seconds. So the next point will be 1320 seconds, because when we reduce 1320 seconds by 90%, we will get 132 seconds. So the change in temperature to reduce the D value from 1320 seconds to 132 seconds is 11 degrees here. That is the Z value. From the definition of Z value and from this numerical, we can write the formula of Z value as Z equal to T1 minus T2, that is change in temperature by log dt1 minus log d2, that is 90% log reduction in D value. So from this example, that is 116 degrees minus 105 divided by 1320 seconds minus 132. Generally, Z value defines the sensitivity of microorganisms to temperature. For example, for heat sensitive microorganisms, a smaller change in the temperature will reduce the D value drastically. Every microorganism has its own Z value. Let us see Z values of some of the important microorganisms and some enzymes. This is the table taken from a research article. From this table, we can clearly see that for Clostridium botulinum, the Z value is 10 degrees centigrade. For Lactobacillus, it's 5 to 11 degrees centigrade. For yeasts and molds, the Z value is 5 to 8 degrees centigrade. Enzymes like peroxidase, the Z value is 11 to 52 degrees centigrade. So some of the vitamins like vitamin B1, the Z value is 25 degrees centigrade. Let us derive some important formulas for Z value. From the definition, we know that Z equal to T1 minus T2 by log dt1 minus log d2. That is change in temperature required for 90% reduction in D value. Take log terms to left hand side. The equation will become log dt1 by dt2 equal to T1 minus T2 by Z. Take log to the right hand side. The equation will become dt1 by dt2 equal to 10 to the power T1 minus T2 by Z. This is the main formula for Z value. We know that D equal to 2.303 by K. So we can write the D equal to 2.303 by K at condition 1 and condition 2, and substitute these values in formula 1. We will get Z value in terms of reaction rates K1 and K2, that is K2 by K1 equal to 10 to the power T1 minus T2 by Z. From the formula of F value, we know that total time Ft equal to dt into log n0 by n. From this formula, we know that total time Ft is directly proportional to decimal reduction time. So we can write the formula 1 as Ft1 by Ft2 equal to 10 to the power T1 minus T2 by Z in terms of the total time. Let us move to the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation explains the relation between reaction rate constant K and absolute temperature Z. This equation is given by Swedish scientist Arrhenius between 1889 to 1927, who got Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1903. This is the Arrhenius equation, that is reaction rate constant K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by Rg into TA. EA is the activation energy, Rg is the universal gas constant, TA is the absolute temperature. Let us try to understand this equation by using a graph. When we plot reaction rate constant K against absolute temperature, we will get a straight line. And the slope of the line is the ratio of activation energy to the universal gas constant R. These are the terms involved in the Arrhenius equation. Let us derive the formula for Z value in terms of activation energy and universal gas constant R. We know that Arrhenius equation K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by Rg into TA. If K1 and K2 are the rate constants at temperature T1 and T2 respectively, the Arrhenius equation will become K1 equal to A into e to the power minus EA by Rg into T1 at initial condition, and K2 equal to A into e to the power minus EA by Rg into T2 at condition 2. From the formula of Z value, we know that Z equal to T1 minus T2 by log dt1 minus log d2 from the definition. Convert dt in terms of reaction rate constant K and convert log to natural logarithm n by using the relation d equal to 2.303 by K and ln equal to 2.303 times of log. So the equation will become like this. Substitute the values of K1 and K2 in the equation 1. Then we will get the formula of Z value as 2.303 into Rg into T1 into T2 by EA. This is the most important formula. If you know these four formulas, you can solve any numerical on Z value in GATE or any other competitive exams. If you want more informative videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our channel. Thank you for watching the video.